Okay, Victoria. Now I'm on the gate of our factory. Then we work. Go to see the workshop. This building is our office building. Now we go to the workshop. It's about 5 minutes between two buildings. You see? We go to one. Okay, now we're in the workshop. You will see our worker is working. They are assembling different machines. Now I show you our EM1000 machine. Here is the EM1000, the dog. We are testing. You see? That line. One line. Okay. Hello. Here, this one is the big one. It's about 1,000. Yeah, 1,050. This is the special one because our custom don't need the disc top ATC. They need arm one. You will see our ATC is always disc one. Let me show you. Okay, I heard this one working. Uh-oh. Sorry. It's handle. Uh-oh. It's closed. Ooh, 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 ooh. You will see.